Kind of a tricky corner.
Yeah.
Well, there's another one right after it. Seems like the sun is just always just out of reach.
I know.
It's like it's right out there. We never get there. Ooh, that's a rainy looking valley.
What a weird little pond.
Yeah,
It looked haunted or something.
it does. Yep, that's what I was thinking. Kind of a Sleepy Hollow little area.
Uh-huh.
Who was John Hunt Morgan?
I don't know.
It says John Hunt Morgan Heritage Trail, 1863. We've been following it for a while.
Oh, I saw that earlier, but I don't know who he is. Okay.
Away from the sun.
I wasn't going to say it.
Well, I'm soaked.
All the way through?
My jeans are.
Oh, okay.
That's the first motorcycle I think I've seen today.
I think he's a little older than we are.
Yeah.
I think I'm pretty dry. I got my summer gloves on, but I got a different pair of gloves in the glove box.
Yeah. Well, I almost put on my rain pants this morning. I probably should have.
Did you need a stop?
Not now. I'm wet. It'll dry out.
Yeah.
We're gonna get into some sun here soon.
Yeah, I think this is just over this little part of Ohio. As long as we keep going, we should be
I think so.
back out in the sunshine.
Well, that's just a drab looking church.
Might be welcome, but I don't know if you want to go there.
You're all welcome, but
Only about 15 of us fit.
ye who enter never leave, or something. Guess maybe the church is held upstairs where the windows are. Salineville.
It's an old town, I think.
Yeah. Big enough to have a police station anyway.
Turn right.
Why don't I get there before I turn right? How about that? Turning right.
All right.
You doing all right in this rain?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Are you?
I've been in worse. I've been across Shalahaco Pass in the rain,
In the snow.
in the snow.
Yeah, that was a bad day.
Yeah, it was. I feel like we're just escorting this storm out of Ohio.
I think we are. I thought we were gonna outrun it, but we're just sitting under it.
Are you sure the definition of Phoenix isn't rides in the rain? Rises from the ashes and rides in the rain.
No, don't blame this on me. I'm getting pretty good at riding in the rain, though.
Yeah, I mean,
I think every trip we've taken has been pretty much in the rain.
seems like it. At least when we start out, anyway.
Sure.
Sorry.
I wasn't ready for a turn. You didn't have your turn signal
I know, I forgot.
on.
I knew I was turning, I just didn't tell anybody.
You should make up with Google and tell her you want to ride in some sunshine.
No doubt, man.
That should be a command. Hey Google, get me out of this rain.